Good morning, all. Welcome to Anand Rathi Morning Commodity and Currency Podcast. Let's start with the currency update first. As today's morning burst was created by India's inclusion in JP Morgan bond news. Rupee is expected to appreciate at the open near 82.80 as India's inclusion in JP Morgan's widely followed emerging market bond index is expected to lead to the inflows of billions of dollars. But the move could be short-lived as it would have temporary impact. Expect closing above 83 as US yields still remain concerned. On commodities front, gold have been steady despite rising bond yields and steady dollar, as prices continue to find support at lower levels. Overall, we anticipate steady trade to persist in day trade today, despite resilience seen in US macro cues as slight correction in Japanese yen have also supported the prices. Technically, gold pivot level is around 58,941. If gold surpasses 59,169, it presents the potential to reach to the levels of 59,453. Conversely, if it falls below 58,476, it could observe a decline to the levels of 58,191. Talking about the base metal, copper prices fell to the lowest in 5 weeks. In London, on Thursday, as the US Federal Reserve signaled policy would remain restricted for longer. The dollar rose to a 6 month high as data showed further growth in the metal inventories. For copper, pivot level is around 719. If copper breaks above 727, it may lead to an ascent to the level of 734. If it drops below 711, there exists a possibility of it reaching to the levels of 704. Moving on to the energy. Oil prices yesterday rebounded after a Russian ban on fuel export once again raised worries over supply deficit. But we don't see any sustainable up move now given the tight monetary policy and bleak demand outlook. Technically, crude oil pivot is around 7,469. If crude oil rises above 7,602, there is a chance it could extend its gain to the level of 7,704. However, should it drop below 7,364, there's a risk of it moving down to the levels of 7,262. Major economic events for today are services and manufacturing PMIs of US, UK, and Europe. That's all for today's podcast. Have a successful trading day. Thank you.